I mean, the best view probably is this side, so when the birds stand on the vines, you can actually see them. But it's not 100% guaranteed that all the birds will come, because they are still very shy about like conditioning process.
You give us the best view,
I try my best. I mean, since there's only a few of you, I try to use the mic, right? You all can all hear me. I can all hear. So let me ask you guys one question first. What are songbirds? Or what do you guys think songbirds do?
Sing.
Humming.
So do you guys know why they sing or like what makes them sing? Any idea? Yeah, that's one of the reasons. Okay, but so basically these songbirds, right? They have developed a very special and complex muscle around their vocal organs, which allows them to sing very beautifully. So they can sing like they sing to look for mates, or fight for territory, or even just talk to one another, just like how humans talk. So unfortunately, their singing also caused their downfall. Use the mic, there's more story. Yes. Alright, okay. So unfortunately, their singing has caused their downfall. These songbirds are involved in the public about this songbird pet trait. Well, hey, we are also trying to support those conservational breeding centers to help breed these species and then release them back in the wild. So that's enough of the songbird pet trait. Let me talk about our beautiful songbirds. So let me start off with our bulbuls. So these bulbuls, they are generally one of the most popular cage birds in Singapore and other countries as well. So they are usually plain in color and have a long crest and tail. And they usually feed on fruits and as well as insects. So I have a few giant mealworms over here which I'll be using to call them down later on. So basically we have 4 species of bulbuls in this exhibit, and the main one is actually a straw-headed bulbul. So the straw-headed bulbul is actually native in Singapore. They can be found in Singapore, and they're actually critically endangered, but Singapore has the largest wild population over here. And over in this exhibit we have 3 straw-headed bulbuls, but they are a bit hard to spot because they are very shy. And then we also have a few different miners and starlings as well. So actually miners and starlings come from the same family called the sternids. Just that the Asian species are called miners and then the African species are called starlings. And all these miners and starlings, they also can sing very well. So like you see those Javan miners around Singapore, they can actually sing as well and they learn from one another. Okay, I think they are getting a bit impatient. So let me call them down.
Yeah.
Alright, okay, so basically we have a few golden crested miners right there. So you can tell apart between the male and female by the face. These those black birds with the yellow crest. So the females have the yellow color around their eyes as well. Then we also have green broadbill. That one can be found in Singapore. It's actually native in Singapore. And the reason why they're green in color is so that they can just camouflage in the canopies of the trees. We also have a coleto miner over there, the one with the pink skin. The pink bare skin on the head. That is actually a miner as well. And there's a special cool trick that you can do. Let me try to see whether he wants to do it. If he doesn't want to do it, I can show again later.
What cool trick?
Okay, we have a greater green leaf bird over there as well. So basically they are also native in Singapore. They can be found in Singapore, and it's just that you can't see them around because they are usually hiding in rainforest and everything. And also they are green in color so that they can hide in the canopies of the trees. We also have a few Brahmini starlings over there as well. The brown color but with a black forehead. We also have a red whiskered bulbul over there. It's a small bird with a black crest. And the red stripe under the eye.
There, there.
Oh, there's a bunny. Oh, there's the one. There's the See, the one with the hair stand.
We have a white-throated laughing thrush over there as well. It's perching on the branch over there. It doesn't have feathers on its neck now because it's just its feather condition, so it looks like that right now. So that's a white-throated laughing thrush. The other birds are still a little bit shy to come down. So in the meantime, I can talk about the Victorian crown pigeons over here. So these two blue color pigeons. So they're actually one of the biggest pigeon species in the world. And they like to use their wings to go and slap other birds or even us to fight for territory or even just, to bully us. Hornbill. Then they use their needle-like beaks to dig into the ground to look for worms and everything.
All you can provide is YOLO. This is YOLO.
What's YOLO?
The new one is on the behind. It's YOLO because
I can talk about some of the ground birds over here. So we have a mountain bamboo partridge over there. That's our one and only mountain Chinese bamboo partridge, sorry. That's our one and only Chinese bamboo partridge in this exhibit. We also have a few Sulawesi ground grey birds with like a yellow forehead. So they are one of the only few pigeon species to eat insects and worms and stuff. Okay, so there's an Asian fairy bluebird over there as well, the one with the blue color feathers. So this is the female, so females have a duller color than the male, and unfortunately we don't have any males in this exhibit. So they can actually sing very well, and it's actually one of the popular pet birds. And also can be found in Singapore, just that, they like to hide in the rainforest and everything. You guys got any questions so far? Any questions? On the ground, is it? Wait, how is it on the chest? Oh, like a breeding hat. Yeah, so that's a Lubang breeding hat. So we call them the breeding hat because they look like they are breeding hat. Yeah. So they're actually endangered. Yeah, they're so endangered as well.